Rufus, and I'm going to show you how to set up your test pit. Okay, so what you need for your test pit is your pegs, your nail and string, a measuring tape, and a patch glass. Okay, so using your tape measure, you're going to hook it on, and then you're going to go all the way to 1 meter. Once you've got that, you have to make it, roughly straight. So that isn't perfectly straight, but roughly straight. And then you're just going to poke it in there. Once you've looked at that and you've decided that you're okay with that, you're going to get your first peg, and you're going to just take that out, and then exactly where your peg was, where your nail was, you're going to put the peg in. And that is step 1. Okay, step 2. You have to hook your measuring tape onto your first peg. You have to take it all the way out to 1 meter, mark that, and then bring your nail and bring it all the way out to 1 meter. Now that might be roughly straight, but we're going to make it straight. So what we need to do is get our first nail right here. We're going to put that on, and then we're going to measure all the way out to see if it comes up to 41. Now that's a bit over, so we're just going to take the nail and we're just going to try and make it 41, and then we're going to take the measuring tape again, and we're going to hook it onto our second peg, and then do it again, take it all the way out to 1 meter, and if it is, now that's just over, so we're just gonna, there we go, that's 1 meter, and then we keep on going until it's 41 centimeters, 1 meter 41 centimeters across, diagonal, and 1 meter between them. Now that's roughly 41, so we're gonna keep that there and go on to step 3. Okay, so before you go on to step 3, you're gonna put your third peg right where your nail is, and then you go round, and then you can just go round again and then poke it in the ground. Right, on step 3, you basically do the same with this. So take this, hook it onto there, take it all the way out to 1 meter, mark it, all the way back here to 1 meter, and then this time we're gonna go from the second peg. We're gonna take it and we're going to go all the way back and see if it's 1 meter 41 centimeters. Now that isn't, so we're just gonna try and make it on the right line and go back to 41, and then same as last time, we go back to our peg that we're operating on, and then we're going to pull it, we're going to take it all the way back and see if it's 1 meter. And that isn't, but I can probably keep it on the right line and make it 1 meter. And then we do the cross again until we get to 1 meter 41 and 1 meter. So do this again. And that's nearly so close. Just make it there and then see if that's 1 meter again. This takes lots of time, so don't be angry if you don't get it first try, because you just need to keep on trying. Now that's 1 meter, so that's good. And now we're ready to go on to the last stage, step 4. Okay, so before we go on to the last stage, what you need to do is change your nail to your peg again, like that. And now, step 3 is easy. You just go round the nail and then you just come back to the first nail like that. But just to check, if you've got it right, you can measure from this nail to the other nail. If it's 1 meter, like I am, you're good to go. And that is how you plan your own test pit.